Day 6, living out of my car. After a snowy wedding in the mountains, I thought it'd be a good idea to head to the coast. But first, I figured I should try El Burrito, considering I'd been camped outside for the past 2 nights.
I hear about Patriot missiles, and I was like, that's fucking awesome, man.
Yeah.
Patriot missiles, we're such good guys.
They have, like Dave Chappelle said this to me once we were talking about having kids, tools that make it easy to create beautiful.
I ended up in Santa Cruz, California. I've never been, and I only know of it by name because of the skateboard brand. So Mia and I headed out to explore and build up an appetite for dinner. There's something so calming about the waves that really helps with my ADHD. Santa Cruz is known for its laid-back vibe, stunning beaches, and the iconic Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk. Apparently, the Boardwalk is one of the oldest amusement parks in California, dating back to 1907. I had parked on Cliff Road right by the water, for now, but we wouldn't be able to stay overnight. Santa Cruz is pretty lax when it comes to vehicle dwelling, and there were quite a few spots on iOverlander nearby, so we went to scope it out before dinner. After the long drive, I didn't want to spend too much time cooking, so I just made a lazy Sunday dinner. Mac and cheese with hot dogs. Whoops. Don't worry, I didn't burn myself. I'm not sure why, but I decided to send the drone up again just to catch a bit of the sunset while I enjoyed my meal, and I was just going to do a quick circle. But then, disaster struck. I sat in the car in despair for probably an hour. But I got lucky. The wind had picked up and blew it out of the tree, so I set off to find my spot to crash for the night. I was so relieved that I got my drone back, it made falling asleep so much easier. I hope you'll stay tuned for day 7. But until then, stay hyper, stay driven.